The rolls must be laid flat for 24 hours prior to installation at a minimum temperature of 15 degrees centigrade. With kit system, your flooring is delivered as pre-cut rolls. Each part is held by approximately 3 mm of attachment lugs. Each part is individually identified with a numbered label referring to the drawing. The parts in each kit can be manually separated from the roll without any special tools. Kits of Tarabus products can be delivered, optimizing cutting time and reducing offcuts. Flooring can also be cut using a rule and a dolphin knife. Allow for extra material when cutting, so that the dimensions can be adjusted inside the bus. Start to cut using the hook to pull the required shape towards you. The MD or MK flooring product, in particular, can also be cut using a template, which reduces the weight of flooring to be handled. Rule, dolphin knife.